Okay, hello guys. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this double exposure. Okay, first thing you need to download this image in Google or any other website, and we're gonna duplicate this layer by Ctrl J or Command J, and we're gonna cut out this person. Use quick selection tool. Okay, we are done with cut these people. Then we gonna take other image to make it to make this image viable in this person. Okay, first we gonna go to this image layer and we gonna change it to screen, and we create clipping mask at this image layer. We create new layer, get it down to under this people layer, and make it solid color, change it to white, and we are done. Okay, see you in my next video.